I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today I have with me Business Development Manager Mathjis Mesters. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ringba's TCPA Shield product and how it helps protect companies from expensive lawsuits. Mathjis, how does Ringba's TCPA Shield product help?
Yeah, Jordan, great question. Thanks for having me on again. TCPA, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, is something that was put into place, a law to really help protect the consumer from outbound marketing by companies. Now, it's great in theory, but unfortunately there are people out there that like to take advantage of the law, and this can cost companies really significant and expensive lawsuits. So we can jump in and I can show you exactly what TCPA Shield is and how it works and how we help companies protect themselves from settlement seekers or professional plaintiffs that are seeking any way to sue these companies for TCPA violations.
Essentially what this is it's a tool that you can scrub caller IDs against. We consulted with some legal folks as well as building our own onshore research team. And so what those people are doing is they're constantly using advanced skip tracing techniques to find people that are sending in demand letters to companies. And so what that means is they're basically sending these companies letters that say, hey, you're going to pay me $1,500 or I'm going to sue you. And we're going to go to court. And what happens, the companies just pay because they don't want to deal with the lawsuit. And there's even coaches online that are helping people learn how to do this to make a living off of this. So even though TCPA was put in place to help protect the consumer from spam and outbound marketing and things like that, there's of course people out there that are going to try and take advantage of it. And that's what we're seeing happen. And that's what this TCPA Shield product from Ringba is going to help protect you and your business against. So not only do we have our own onshore research team, but we also got access to law enforcement grade databases through these legal consultants that we worked with for a long time to hop through a ton of different compliance, legal and security hurdles in order to get that access. Again, you don't need to be a Ringba client to use this. You can just use TCPA Shield and integrate it very easily with your current setup. So the way that that's done is you can go in here and process a file. So this is for bulk uploads, and we can of course hook you up with a plan that is right for your business based on how many scrubs you would need on a monthly basis. And you can go in here and do a bulk upload of the numbers that you want to scrub. And basically how that works is you process it and we'll immediately return you a file that shows you the good and the bad numbers within that file. So that's how to do it in bulk uploads. If you do have a Ringba account and you're running calls through Ringba, you of course can add it to a campaign here in Ringba. You can see it on the campaign level here within Ringba. You can enable it, disable it on the campaign level. And lastly, you can hit our API either way. Again, if you're a client or not, you can just hit these APIs. You can look up a single number. You can look up a bulk list of phone numbers. Super easy to integrate with if you have a dev. This is a really easy request to implement. So Ringba's TCPA Shield product, really easy to use. Just reach out to myself or sales@ringba.com if you want to learn about TCPA Shield and maybe get some pricing information and see if it works for your business.
Thanks, Mathjis. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.